So I had this idea for like a completely different model for project management. And I was really inspired by Figma and Miro and other infinite canvas kind of approaches. And so I went to V0 and I just asked it to use React Flow, which you can see here. And there are cards, including to-do lists. And the concept here is that you could add a card, different types of cards. Another canvas is a type of card, which I think is incredibly interesting, as well as a web page. So what you can do here is have another canvas that you can click into and dive into another zoomable canvas. And yeah, I haven't worked through all the little issues, but you can even embed a browser in here. And so as I was thinking about this, I was thinking, imagine a world where everything that you need to manage a project is actually inside the canvas of a project. And that could be a Figma link with a design file that's actually embedded here that you could click to go full screen, potentially, or the documentation and other URLs, to-do lists, and that these to-do lists could actually have an understanding of where they were inside the ecosystem of these infinite canvae. So if there were to-do lists below this, they could roll up, and so on and so forth. As you see here, there's a checklist here and a checklist here in these sub canvae. So as you do this, it's obviously not very well laid out, super high level, but I think it's a very interesting concept. One of the things that you struggle with when you're on a project sometimes is having all of the related stuff be next to each other. And because so much of what we do is actually on the web, you could have all of these things pre-set up with the default URL. And so it could have the epic, and the stories, the Figmas, and you could link and you can have everything sort of spatially related. I think it was an interesting take, a fun thought experiment, and just thought I'd share it with you.